Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, we are going to discuss about a problem for the APPG set CSC students, which is given in 2024 29th May shift 2. This is the problem. What it is given? What is the value of the following C statement when the value of variable x is equal to 600? We have to find the output for this problem statement. First, I will explain the problem statement. Here, this is the if condition. If x less than 500, this is a one if condition. This is if block and this is else block. If x less than 500 is satisfied, then it goes to inside loop. It is nested if condition. This is one if. This is another if which is present inside if loop. This is x greater than 400. This is if loop condition. This is else loop condition. In This is else block. In this else block, it is another condition of if x less than 700, then it will be executed, otherwise it will be executed. Here given is x is equal to 600. uh, X equal to 600, which is 600 is greater than 500, so it does not go to first if block, it goes to else block. X is This is the else block. In this else block, there is a nested condition of x less than 700. So here 600 is less than 700, so it goes to first condition. It satisfies the first condition. So 600 into 25 is equal to 15,000. This is the output. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe and comment if you like the video.